we are back with another video. This is CRC Does Beer, and today I'm trying this amazing, I don't know if it's amazing, but it's an oatmeal milk stout from Second Shift Brewery called Cat Spit Stout, an oatmeal milk stout at 7% ABV. This brewery called Second Shift is from what it's called, St. Louis, United States, in the United States. So this will be interesting. This is the first time I'm reviewing a stout on this channel. Look at that sick artwork. Really cool cat, drooling cat. So I'm excited. I hope you are excited too. Oh shit, it's foaming a lot. As you can see, I'm not using a traditional beer glass. This is a cognac glass, but I want the cupade form, you know. So I actually enjoy drinking stouts and dark beers from this glass in particular. So yeah, let's give it a pour. It is darkness. It is really darkness. Look at this. It's black as the night. So right. So with this, I'm expecting. There's definitely coffee because of the roasted malts, like the burned molasses thing, cane sugar, chocolate, for real. Yeah, real nut chocolate. And you get a vanilla note. It's like chocolate cake-ish, but the coffee is really dominant. So yeah, let's try it. This really tastes like the bottom scratch of the coffee, you know. It's a little bit sweet. The sugar, the maple syrup is coming through. It's a little bit creamy, you know, the mouthfeel is a bit thicker because of the oatmeal. But I don't think anything in particular. I think it's really classic. It's coffee notes, deep coffee notes. I love my coffee, by the way. I'm a coffee addict. I drink several cups of coffee every day, or else I will get like this insane headache. So yeah, but coffee, burnt sugar, bit of vanilla, and then there's almost like a woody, sort of almost smoky flavor, or I think of burnt wood, or like the outer layer of a tree trunk. Foresty, earthy. Yeah, but it's well balanced. I think it's more like, for me, you know, I know a stout isn't supposed to be like this overpowering, big, creamy, you know, thing, you know, like we have come to know the pastry stouts for. But since I love stout and I love porter as well, but this is more like porter territory for me, really. But I love the coffee taste though. I would give this 6.4 out of 10 points. Cause it's average. I think it says on this one, coffee, roasty, blah blah blah. It's a stout, just drink it. It is really good. Well, hopefully I will review some more stouts in the future, or porters of that matter. Thank you for watching the video and take care. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the like button in this video. It helps a lot.